Okay.
I knew you were gonna copy me.
What do you mean copy you? You copied me.
We have the exact same mustache and glasses.
I
wonder how you even get inside that lab. Is the door... Are you for real?
Well, I was trying to hug the wall. Well, I have a sprained ankle.
Do you think he can come in the door?
Well, let me leave and then you can try it. I'm piecing out of here.
He made a noise, and it made a little hit thing. So...
Why are you shooting him when you're already, like, completely damaged?
Well, I don't think he can come in through the door. I'm sitting in the window, and I'm just gonna start shooting.
Cover!
I'm in the teleporter room.
Nothing here.
He has a very big jump.
I'm not doing good.
Oh! I'm gonna die.
You're still fighting that scary dude?
No, he, I'm back at the spot with the scientist.
Oh.
He is outside the door.
What do you want me to do?
Nothing. I'm gonna die.
How do we get rid of the fog? Does it just go away on its own, I guess?
I'm just running back to the tram.
Okay. I didn't know where the tram was, so I'm manually legging it.
Can I leave?
Yeah.
Thank
I
God.
said I'm manually legging it.
Like, that guy jumps. I was sitting in the window and he somehow opened the door and came behind me and attacked me and blasted me all the way out the window.
Well, we knew he was a scary guy, and
Yeah.
you certainly wanted to see how what it was about, and you found out.
What if I jumped off the edge?
You die, Aaron. Aaron fell off. Nice
Ow!
broken leg.
Every leg. Watch me jump off.
Don't do it. Nice. Nice.
I'm
Nice.
radiated. I'm overburdened. I'm hungry.
You wanna take a quick peek at my base before we jump off?
Your
Want the
base?
progress report in the Minecraft base?
Oh, yeah, we can after, sure.
Unless you have something pressing.
Ah! Ow! You ran me over! I got a brisk. Oh, I'm brisk chili. I think you ran me over.
I did. I heard you scream.
Okay.
Where's Sai? Oh,
I don't know.
down here.
Oopsie. Dang it. I just can't.
Hear them. Understand me when I say there is no
Okay.
pathway here.
Aaron, could you do that voice? Oh, oh, did you need a? Did you want to rest?
No, no,
Zach?
no.
Okay.
I don't need.
Well, we should definitely come back here when we're more prepared. Because
We're very prepared.
we have not been in there. You're half dead.
No.
Are you gonna break your leg coming down?
Maybe. Oh.
Yep.
I fell.
Oh wow, you both did. What's through here?
Oh yeah.
I'm not doing so well.
Yeah, same. My entire body.
Oh my gosh! Are you serious?
It's just standing there.
I've never been more scared in my life. Okay, die. Close it. Press the button. Die. Press the button. Just keep going.
What is happening over there?
Well, here we
Are we back?
Here we are.
Oh, you guys made it back?
No.
No.
Oh.
It's like an elevator. Crouch.
Nothing is healing. Is it safe down there?
Should be.
Is he just saying that?
Are you just gonna jump off the edge?
Where are you guys?
We're back at the base.
I broke my leg a little bit.
Being jumped off.
I didn't jump. I had a little ledge. I had a plan.
Hey, Bean, I got
a
something
grenade
for you.
from a mug.
You what?
I got something for you when you're done napping.
Okay. I'm the healthiest I've ever been. After that disaster of an outing. Can someone turn that machine off?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
How dare you? Give me that.
Oh, very nice. Still going. Sit down in the ride. What are you doing?
Where'd you go? Oh.
I'm literally in front of you.
You want some water? Well, too bad! My water! Just like my bed. It's gone. Don't you drink it?
I'm offering it to you.
Sure. Oh.
You're gonna break legs?
Yeah, I heard.
You want me to push
Let me-
this over there?
Let me put a. I don't know if this will help you. Probably not.
What? It's a
This
big
bouncer?
bouncer. Do we have a small bouncer?
No.
Or do we have someone that can make ramps?
I still can make one more ramp, but that I have to go down to do that.
Does anyone have a telephone to make a
I'm
rope?
dropping.
Oh no, son.
My God!
Really?
This is terrible.
Okay, well, I will need some help.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey, hey.
Hey! Do I push down?
Yeah.
I'll sit right by you.
Okay.
I'm not sure where you want all the pots I've picked up.
I don't think it's
Over there in the cooking. The big cooking chest. The big cooking chest. You can just stick them all there.
Alright.
Is it up? What?
I was just gonna wait to see what would happen, and you were really
I was just gonna
hanging
wait you out, but you know, I decided not to.